Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make suddenly pasta salad Caesar using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, especially 1 box of suddenly salad Caesar mix. Next, cook 8 ounces of your preferred pasta until al dente, following the package instructions. While the pasta cooks, you can start preparing the delicious Caesar dressing from the mix, combining it with mayonnaise and milk. Now, let's get that dressing perfect. In a small bowl, whisk together the seasoning packet from the suddenly salad mix with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of milk until smooth. For a fresh touch, chop 1 cup of crisp romaine lettuce and 1/2 cup of juicy cherry tomatoes. You might also want to stir in about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra burst of savory flavor. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it thoroughly and rinse it with cold water. This step is crucial for cooling the pasta quickly and preventing it from clumping. Transfer the cooled pasta to a large mixing bowl. Add your freshly chopped romaine lettuce and cherry tomatoes to the bowl. Finally, pour the creamy Caesar dressing you prepared earlier evenly over all the ingredients. Gently toss all the ingredients together in the bowl, ensuring every piece of pasta and vegetable is thoroughly coated with that delicious Caesar dressing. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate your pasta salad for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish with crunchy croutons or a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.